Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, come on. Open the box. Come on. Remove the package. Wow, what's that? Come on, remove the package. You want mommy to help you?
Yeah, help you.
Okay. This one. What's that? I think the Kinder Egg is here. This stuff is for mommy. Yeah. Wow, what is this? I think this is dress for mommy. Mommy should put down the camera so we could. How about the Kinder Egg? Where is it? Where is the Kinder Egg? What are these? Wow, it's a lot of stuff. Okay, it's empty now. It's empty. The box is empty. You say thank you, Tita Awad. Thank you. Thank you, Auntie Awad. Where is the Kinder Egg? Let's open it. Where is the Kinder Egg? Where are you, Kinder Egg? I think it's here. Let's open this one. Let's open this package. This one. Now this wasn't the... Ah! What is this?
Wow.
Let's find the Kinder Egg somewhere. Oh, wow! This is for you! What's that? What was that?
Good.
No, it was a chocolate. It's a chocolate. Okay, I mean we'll find the Kinder Egg somewhere here. Is this all for mommy? Oh, I think this one is the Kinder Egg.
Nice. Somewhere.
Yeah, maybe it's somewhere right here. Or maybe it's with the dress. Maybe Tita was wrapping in a dress.
This is chocolate.
Yeah, that's the chocolate. That's your favorite chocolate. That's your chocolate. What is this? I think it's for mommy. Oh, it's for mommy again. What is this? I think this is the Kinder Egg. Okay, can you unwrap it now? Oh, I think this might be the Kinder Egg. Okay, so let's just put it down, the camera. And then we could help you as well. Is this the Kinder Egg?
Wow.
Wow! I think this is the one. Look, Maya, look. There it is. Come on, open it. Wow. It's the Kinder Egg, yeah? Wow. Wow. Come on, open it. Do you want mommy to help you? Let's open it like this. lot of Kinder Egg. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. You say thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Auntie Award. Say thank you, Maya.
Thank you, Maya.
No. Thank you, Tita Award, not Maya. Come on, say it louder. So Tita Award will give you again. Come on, send you again. Thank you, Tita Award. Come on.
Thank you, Dad.
Smile to Tita Award.
Smile.
Smile here.
Smile here.
Yeah, thank you, Tita Award. You say
Thank
thank.
you, Dad.
Okay, say bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.